Registering as a member on survey sites is a popular way to earn a little cash or some other form of reward on the side. How does Marketagent work? Marketagent is available in several countries, including the United States, United Kingdom, Australia, Canada, France, Germany, Ireland, Romania, Russia, Norway, and the Netherlands. If you live in Africa or South America, however, you will not be able to register an account. To become a member of Marketagent, you have to go through a relatively simple registration process, which involves completing an information sheet. After registration, you can add more information to personalize the surveys that the platform suggests for you. Upon completion of the registration process, you can start accumulating points and rewards. You earn points by signing up, referring people you know, and completing online or mobile surveys via Marketagent's app. The app is intuitive and easy to use and offers a daily survey consisting of one question which takes a few seconds to complete. Note that you will not get paid to complete these little surveys, though. You can also get paid on Marketagent by keeping your profile updated. By adding information about yourself, you make it easier for the platform to find the most suitable surveys for your lifestyle and spending habits. You will receive 50 points to update your profile, but this reward is only processed once per year, and you can only update your profile after receiving an email that asks you to do so. Completing a survey can earn you anything from 20 to 250 points. And while most of the surveys are at the lower range of this spectrum, you will occasionally receive one with more points. Marketagent hosts more than 1,000 surveys annually, but since it has more than 1 million members with 650 new members per day, there is not nearly enough work for everyone. As a result, the earning potential with this platform is somewhat limited. Is it legit? Marketagent is a legitimate paid survey site, and members generally don't have problems getting paid for their services. The platform is free to join, so you have nothing to lose, and it is also user-friendly and easy to navigate. But don't expect to make a lot of money with this platform, even if it's legit. Not only are the number of surveys you can complete few and far between, but the reward for completing one is relatively low. Additionally, you have to wait 3 weeks for Marketagent to approve your reward, and then you have to wait an additional 5 to 8 days for the money to be paid into your local bank account if you don't live in the United States or the United Kingdom. How do I get paid? With Marketagent, you can complete surveys to accumulate points, and 100 points are worth $1.23, so you have to complete 5 20-point surveys to earn $1.23. Fortunately, the surveys at the low end of the point spectrum are easy and quick to complete. You can exchange your points for cash via PayPal or Skrill, which are both credible third-party payment processors. Many people prefer PayPal, as it is a familiar company they know and trust, but you earn more per point if you cash out through Skrill. The minimum payout threshold with Marketagent is 200 points. Additionally, if you want to cash out with PayPal, you have to pay a processing fee of 100 points per exchange of 1,500 points or less. If you use Skrill, on the other hand, you don't have to pay a processing fee, another reason to utilize this payment option. Company history: Marketagent is an Austria-based company that was established in 2001. Their clients are primarily based in Europe and English-speaking countries, and they use Marketagent services to gain information on market trends, consumer lifestyles, and demand for products and services. Pros: straightforward account setup and registration process. Several ways to earn points, including sign-up and referral program available to members in many different countries. You can receive payment via PayPal or Skrill. Completing surveys is quick and easy. The Marketagent app is easy to use. Cons: relatively low earnings per survey, high threshold for payments, PayPal fees and exchange rate limits earnings. There are not enough surveys for all Marketagent members. Payment approval can take as long as 3 weeks. Microjobs are not always available. Marketagent review. Final thoughts: Marketagent is a legit paid survey site, and if you have patience, you can generate some extra cash. You may have to wait for a long time to receive surveys, however, and if you use PayPal, you will not receive all the income you earned.